guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we have a surprise package. Well, we kind of already know what it is. This here is a Sonic the Hedgehog phone holder that's designed to look like a figurine. Now, I'm excited to see what's inside, so without further ado, let's go ahead and just jump right into it. Alright, so this here is the packaging that they sent us. Just a normal box. But inside here, check it out! We have ourselves a Sega Genesis cartridge. Well, just a case of cartridge, but it has that lovely retro perspective. And then we have our Power Idolz. I myself am a big fan of Sonic the Hedgehog, and I even grew up playing with it, so seeing this definitely brings back a lot of memories. Now, I don't think this actually comes with it, but this is actually a really cool thing that they gave. So it's actually, it looks like it says Sonic the Hedgehog 16-bit cartridge, Mega Drive, Sega, and then it says www.poweridolz.com, and then you kind of flip it about. So it just looks like it's the back of a Sonic the Hedgehog game. And then inside here, we have, instead of a cartridge, so this talks about what our Power Idolz is about. So this here is the Game Edition Power Idolz. Now they have different variations. I know they have like a Ghostbusters one, Jaws, and just like a few other different characters which you can check out, but this one here definitely catches my eye mainly because it's Sonic the Hedgehog. It says, we're a big fan of your content, so we thought we'd send this over to celebrate the announcement of Power Idolz, a new collectible series of charging dots with retro gaming twists, starting with the Sonic the Hedgehog. Now let's take a look at our Power Idolz. So this here is our eye candy piece. Definitely a very, very cool looking box. Sonic the Hedgehog, official product. As we kind of rotate it about, shows a little bit more in terms of detail, so you can go ahead and place your phone on there and charge it, so that's really cool. And it's got like the arms and the legs of the character, but it has a cartridge as the base where you can go ahead and rest your phone against to charge it. As we continue to rotate it on the back, we'll just talk about a little more in terms of detail of this. So it does have LED charge status indicator, includes a USB-C cable, 10-watt fast charge, so that's good. And over here it kind of showcases a cartoon version of Sonic the Hedgehog doing one of these numbers. Alright, so let's open this up and see what's inside. Alright, so on the top here we have ourselves a USB-C cable, so standard. And then we also have a warranty guide, so this is great that they include a warranty. And then inside here, here we go. That is actually a really cool piece. So some first thoughts, they did a great job with the design of it. I love the fact that it doesn't house a body or like a head. It's just the game cartridge itself. And then you have the arms and the legs doing one of these. And then there's even looks like a LED ring kind of going around the bottom. So that's kind of great in terms of like a charge status indicator. Now the USB-C does plug into the back, and then on the bottom you do have some rubber stoppers to kind of keep it in place. As we kind of move it about, I can tell you it's actually got a nice like hefty feel to it, so it's not like a cheap plastic material. And then it even has a little rubber stopper here for to protect your phone. Now another nice thing is that the case has this nice indentation into it, kind of giving it a more realism feel. And then even the quality of the words as well as the graphics on the case looks really nice. And yeah, I mean, it's absolutely an artistic piece, and just kind of displaying it alone is definitely well worth it. So let's go ahead and plug this thing in next and see what it does. Oh, cool! So we have ourselves a blue LED ring already kind of highlighting, and I think that's it. So we can go ahead and put our phone on here. And it's charging! And as it's charging, the ring turns yellow or golden, as if it's the real Sonic the Hedgehog ring. And it looks really cool. And it is charging, and it's a fast charger, which is great. And yeah, that is that. So overall, they did a great job with it. I absolutely love it. And then when you take it off, the ring will change back to its regular color blue. So yeah, overall a great piece, and definitely something I would use. I would highly recommend it, especially if you're into like video games or retro. I know they have a lot of different characters, so you can collect them too, so that's kind of neat. Now with that said, if you had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.